Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to add Google account to your device Moto G04. First of all, in your phone, go to Google Play Store and see there if sign in is asked, that means no Google account is already signing into your phone. Okay, so if you want to add a Google account, click on sign in button here and it will checking info. Just wait. In next screen you go to here, insert your email ID, type your email ID here. I type my email ID to Prince and click on next. In the next screen you go to include your password, type your email ID password. I type my password now. I typed my password and click on next and it will be signing into your account. Just wait. I have enabled two-step verification, so it will be asking and I am confirming it with other phone. Yes, I have done confirmation and yes, here it asking you whether you are using your phone or your child will be using this phone. Okay, if you are using your phone, click on the first option. If you would like to hand over this phone to your child, select second one. As of now, I will be using my phone, so I have selected the first option and click on next and click on I agree. And Google services are loading. Just wait and click on accept. Yes, Google account is now added to my phone and now you can use your phone. Okay, so in this way you can easily add Google account to your device Moto G04. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.